Hello and welcome from my side. I'm Manuel Lehmann from Robert Bosch.
And I'm Lukas, co-founder SPARETECH.
So I'm the senior manager in Blaichach plant for spare part management. And today we will present you something, a small or a big success story. Here you can see this success story started around about 4 years ago at this event. So Mr. Dr. Stefan Hartung, now G1 from Robert Bosch, see the potential of company SPARETECH, and this was the start of this project. So the connection was started between SPARETECH and Bosch. And the Blaichach plant is one of the important manufacturing plants by Bosch. We are the lead plant for braking system and gasoline system. And you can see here on the map the locations from Bosch. And we see some challenges. One of them is massive MRO inventories. I don't know if everybody confirmed with this word MRO, so it means maintenance, repair and operations. So we see here a big challenge for us. Next one is the high procurement costs, what we also see. And the last one, the high manual effort in the data management. And this data management was one of the benefits what we see from company SPARETECH. This knowledge of SPARETECH helps us to build, or company SPARETECH built here a platform and a database to a connection between the supplier side and the Robert Bosch side, our ERP system. This database, you can read it here, means over 25 million of data records. And this was the goal or the benefit to get here the connection between these two sides. So what is the gain like Bosch and what we are talking about? You can see, or you can read here some headlines. The revolution of digital spare part management. It means we see an efficiency improvement in this connection over 50%. So we're not talking about a showcase, it's a real case what helps. So these benefits, what you can see here, SPARETECH helps us here to reach our set targets. And these targets, what you can see here, are targets what for every company is very important. You see cost savings, 50%, you read the slide before, means the inventory and the warehouse procurement and the downtime was reduced. Also, we see the CO2 reduction of scrapping inventories and the manual work to handle these data. Also, the inventory reduction means we create a solid database, which is the basis for availability, platform, and pooling process. The digital enablement for the ERP system and innovation partnership. By all of these benefits, we will also tell you that we also must learn something. And what are our learnings in this process? The first one here is trust. Trust in another company, trust in new processes, and trust in new ways. Also thinking cross-functional. And the last, and I think the important one, is just do it.
And obviously from a startup perspective, when we entered collaboration with Bosch 4 years ago, we really learned to listen to all the various stakeholders across the business units and departments, and really made sure that we go every extra mile possible to really deliver on what Bosch needs, because in the nature of the collaboration is that the expectations are always higher of what you can deliver in an early stage. So now 4 years later, I think we can proudly say that the patience from both sides really paid out, and that's something that then results, what we can see on the next page, that from a small pilot in one of the factories, we are now preparing the global rollout from a very strong position of measurable results, which you just saw presented by Manuel, to really implement the processes. Bosch obviously is very process-driven across the factories worldwide. So from powertrain solutions to mobility, and then across the globe. And if you are figuring out a good way how to scale your startup initiatives and your corporates, obviously framework contracts help. And this is some of the key learnings from our side. And if you like to learn more about the depths, it's a very, let's say, tangible, precise thing, a real life problem. So Manuel and myself, we are very happy to continue conversations basically next door in the industrial space. And thank you so much. I think that's one of the most favorite Bosch slides one has seen.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.